Robert Marino with Sentry Equipment here, and I'd like to discuss the most exciting topic anybody in the frozen dessert industry ever wants to talk about: the parts to your equipment. That's right. Sit down and get ready, because we're going to talk about changing your parts. Right now we're doing an educational seminar on parts. Right? You have soft serve equipment, you have batch equipment, there's wearable parts in the machines that need to be changed on a regular basis. So this video is going to be a quick brush up on how to replace them, when to replace them, and why to replace them. Let's start with a simple one: blades. Blades to your soft serve machine, blades to your batch machine. These things are the lifeblood of the equipment. They provide yield, they control your overrun, they help with your profits. Blades should be inspected every year, depending on volume, changed every season. Talk about our mixed transfer hoses. Next to the blades, this is the most important wearable part you'll see. The hoses in our electro-freeze pressurized equipment sit in our mixed transfer system, and they are a key function in allowing mix to get from the bottom to the top. A worn hose can not only burst, causing a very messy thing to deal with, but they can also affect the mixture of air and mix going into your freezing cylinder, put undue stress on your motors and compressors. Change your hoses, inspect them every month, change them at minimum every 2 months, okay? But in a high volume store, you might even change them monthly. Very, very important. Head O-rings, these seal product from getting out of your head and leaking, change once a year. Your plunger O-rings, these should be changed every 6 weeks. It can cause your plunger to jam, making it harder to pull up and pull down the handle. Can cause leaking out of the head, therefore leaking product. That leaking product is lost dollars. Your shaft seals, they sit on the back of your machine, prevent product from leaking into the back of your cylinder. If there's an issue with them, you'll see product come out of the front here. Product into your back of your machine. Not only is it unsanitary, but it's very dangerous for the parts inside the machine. Shaft seals should be replaced every season. Okay? Duckbill valves that go into your pressurized system, again, change them every year. They pull up mix, don't allow it to flow back in. There's an issue with the duckbill valve, it could cause mix to leak back into your reservoir here in the bottom, thereby losing yield, using overrun. Your star nozzles, these are the nozzles that go in the bottom of your head here. Again, change them every year. They wear, they don't sit right, they fall off. Start fresh with them every year. We have Petrogel here to use to lubricate all the parts. We have sanitizer, and then also a forgotten piece of the wearable parts is your door gasket. Your door gasket goes on the cabinet door of your pressurized equipment, and it seals the refrigeration in the machine, maintains the integrity of the liquid product in the cabinet. If you bought an electro-freeze pressurized machine, you did so because that cabinet is a great feature. At Sentry, we have a full line of parts. We encourage you to stock up at the beginning of the season, okay? Our wonderful parts department will be happy to educate you on what you need, make sure we don't oversell you, we sell you what you need to maintain your equipment, okay? The better your equipment works, better for your customers, better for you, better for us. Please call us today, speak to our parts department, get educated about what you need and when you need it and how much you need it, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much.